Hey, it's Justin from Top Notch Finishing, and today I just want to show you my favorite push latch. This is made by Sugatsune. I'm doing 2 hidden doors, but this is a very strong, small, very nice looking push latch. Throws the door, good to go, done. So I'm just going to quickly show how you install this. First thing you're going to have to do, which is going to be impossible to show you, is you're going to want, I'm picking the same height on both, obviously. I'm going to be having it like this. I'm going to close the door, and what you want is when it's flush like this, you want to just kind of mark it out, and then you'll take it apart, screw it, and then there's adjustability after that. Alright, so I previously had this mounted. Clicks apart like that. A mark here, and you're going to put it in the holes right in the middle, so there's adjustability. You don't want to put it in these ones yet, because then you won't be able to move it. Now while you're still in the door, you're going to close it, and then you're going to mark out onto the door where this little guy goes. So you want to pre-drill. There's no guessing. You don't want it to stick past. So I'm going to take it. I see that there is just a hair here. I'm just going to go a little. I know that's going to be good. I can do the fourth till I guarantee